My dear fellow collectors, welcome back to our easy and long-lasting curls tutorial for long and short hair. How to do Saran doll curls in under 15 minutes. This is where we stopped yesterday. We prepared everything and put the curlers in the hair. Now I show you how we came to this point. My dear fellow collectors, I was asked by one of my subscribers to do a video for Saran doll curls, so it might be a good idea to show you an easy and long-lasting curl type for short and long hair. I did a similar video several years ago, but I got complaints that it would be too dark to see anything, so here's the ultimate curl method to do easy and long-lasting curls for long and short doll Saran hair. What do we need for Saran Barbie curls? The thing with the Barbie curls is that curls are not so easy to do when you are a beginner. It's not always easy. We use different curlers for different kinds of curls. For example, we could use straws. I don't have straws at the moment here, but we could use straws, or we could use pipe cleaners for larger curls, but that's what we are not going to do. I want to do today with you bobby pin curls. They are very tiny, but they are original. It's like Mattel did it in the late 1950s, early 60s. That's practically the same method they used for ponytail Barbie dolls, the early ones, you know. We only want to do the curls at the end today. We don't want to curl the whole hair because you can see the hair is very long, and we are just going to curl the ends a little bit. I don't do the whole head for you, I just show you some, and then you know how it's working, and then you can do it yourself. And next thing we need for our Barbie pin curls is orthodontics elastics, and that's a rubber band from the dental area that you can use in hot water. They don't care about hot water. You can reuse them after having them used once. That's the only kind of rubber band I found that is suitable for hot water. Furthermore, we need end papers for a smooth winding up, which will make our curls much easier. And of course we need two bowls, one with hot water and one with cold water, which I'm going to prepare in the next moment. And of course we need a little towel. Towel is always helpful. And here's just a quick have a look at how we are going to use the elastics. That's mainly how we are going to use them. We put it over, just a minute, like this. My finger is just standing for our hair, and that's how we're going to use them. I hope you understand it and you can see it. That's what we're going to do at the next step. that making Barbie Saran curls is the hardest thing you can do as a beginner. I did many mistakes until I found the right way to treat the hair and get this curl type like I wanted it to be, and let it last for a very, very long time. Most Barbie hairstylists don't know the differences between the different hair fibers, and they don't know how to treat the hair. So it's very important to use two boards like you have just seen it in my video. One for cold water and one for hot water. That's the hot and that's the cold water. And it's important that you use the hot water first and let the hair only in there for a minute, but you have to let the hair in the cold water for a longer time. I'm no expert in hairdressing, but maybe you can imagine it similar like when they do a perm with two components. That's how you get curls into Barbie doll's hair. I hope you understand the process of doing Saran hair doll curls better now. It's just about how to treat the fiber. I hope you like my little video. And I'd like to give you at the end the possibility to participate in one of my next videos. I have the idea to let you participate in one of my next videos. And how you can do it? It's very easy. Just send me a comment in the comment box below. I have two questions for you. Why do you collect Barbie dolls? And tell us about the era focal point that you collect. You can show only your dolls and tell from the background, or you can step in front of the camera if you want. All you need is a camera or a smartphone that can record MP4 or MOV or a common video format, and then send it to me. See you in the next